Hello friends, one more big opportunity for 2022 graduates. Morgan Stanley hiring for 2022 graduates for analyst role. Watch this video till the end. You'll get to know step-by-step registration process of Morgan Stanley. Before going to discuss about registration, we will discuss some of the roles, responsibilities and eligibility of this job. If you are visiting first time to my channel, please click on subscribe button. For more notification about jobs and internships, click on bell icon. Now, whatever the link is there here, the link will be provided in the description. You click on that, directly it will come to this page. Here they mention that 2022 technology full-time analyst program they are calling Mumbai bar Bangalore. In these two locations, they are calling this position. Okay, city they are given as Mumbai, work location in the beginning, and educational level bachelor degree and master degree. Business unit is technology, and job description is full-time analyst. Then placement or duration. Here they are mentioned about full-time analyst joined in August and or then placed into a development or infrastructure role within technology that best matches their skills set and interest. Okay, first they will check with they will take it as a full-time analyst. After that, you will go and join in August to the company. Based on your skill set and interest, they will allocate to development or infrastructure role. Now, when you come to the training program, in the training program, it consists 15-week global program, which includes an orientation to the firm, intensive technology training, and introduction of to proprietary technologies, and culminates with a 4-week group project. The program allows analysts to build a strong network among their peers as well as acquire the comprehensive skills to fully prepared analysts for a long-term career in technology. Okay, these are some of the training they will give. That will be 15-week training and 4-week group project will be there. Based on that, this training they will check it out and they will put it on one of the responsibilities, that is development or infrastructure role. This training is mandatory, 15 weeks training. And responsibilities, what is the responsibility will be there in when you join as a development team. Our development team are tasked with designing, developing and maintaining the application using by the firm's business units. Daily activities including meeting with clients to gather and analyze requirements, making system design decisions, evaluating, integrating and developing necessary softwares, and testing and development application, deployment application to the to production, developing high performance, low latency electronic trading systems across multiple asset classes, providing sophisticated risk management analytics and systems, and evaluating complex workflow and lifecycle management capabilities across increasingly sophisticated products are just some of the many projects available for developers within our technical organization. These are some of the development team, whatever they are working on. Most of the things will be about the software related stuffs and how to deploy, how to deliver to the client, and how to take the requirement from the client. All there is this life cycle of software engineering will be there. That will be considering in development team. When you come to the infrastructure team, our infrastructure team facing teams are developing cutting edge systems to run our businesses. Engineering provides tools, applications, and platforms such as firm networks, computing hardware, operating system, and database for trading application, mobile application, and other end users applications. Working a small nimble team, the group provides applications that span the breadth of the firm client in an efficient manner, engineering the firm websites, managing the window plant, and developing a client reporting delivery systems are some of the projects available in infrastructure engineering in our organization. This is about somehow like a system related stuffs, operating systems or database, hardware parts, all this infrastructure, what all the infrastructure is used in the company related to that you will get a work. These are the two roles you are having. Based on your interest, they will allot for that role. Then qualification skills required is undergraduation, master and PhD graduate can apply for this role. Computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, information technology or other related technical majors preferred. Experience with at least one object oriented languages, that is like Java, C++, C hash, database knowledge, operating system knowledge, Windows or Unix. These are the things you know. If you are in experience with these stuffs, that will be value added to that. Excellent problem solving skills, experience in object oriented development, good comprehension for data structure, algorithms and complexity theory, strong database and scripting skills. These are some of the skills you require to join as those two roles. Excellent problem solving, communication, teamwork and analytic skills, fluent in English. These are some of the requirements they are looking for. Job type is full-time analyst, program also full-time analyst. Now we are going to apply for that. Here apply button is there. If you click on this apply button, it will move to the registration page. If you don't have account, you register here. If you have account, you go directly to the login. Okay, I don't have account now. I will register for this now first. Okay, whatever the email ID will give it here, that email ID should be proper because all the communication will be done through that email ID. Okay, first I will write my name and last name I will write, then email ID. After that, I have to retype the email ID for confirmation. Next, you have to choose one of the password. It should be minimum 8 characters. You only type the password here. Their suggestion is there, but you will forget this. You only type whichever is comfortable password is there for you. Okay, after typing the password, you have to type confirm password. After that, here some description is there. You read this description before going to click on I agree. After that, you click on this I agree button. Click here to agree the above conditions. What all the conditions are there, you go through with that once. After that, I will click on register. Okay, after registration, you will be logged into the account. Here it will show that account is created and email has been sent to you with a verification link. Please click on that link to verify the email address. Okay, I will save this and I will check my email ID. Okay, here I got one mail from Morgan Stanley for verification. I will click on that email. Okay, here candidate portal email ID verification. Please thank you for your interest in opportunity of Morgan Stanley. Please click here to confirm your registration. After I clicking on that, okay, email validation is correctly. Then I will go with login. Okay, whatever the email ID and password I give, same email ID and password I will give and I will log in. After login, in my name, it is logged in, and here it is showing green right mark is completed, blue right mark is not mandatory, cross mark is incomplete, star means required field. Here some of the description is there. Go through with this description before going to say yes for I agree. After that you say yes for I agree, and here are you currently due to a graduate between January 2022 and August 2022 with no further study plan. If you don't have any further study plan, higher education or something like that, and your graduation should be between Jan 2022 to August 2022, then you can say that yes, because your graduation will be done in 2022 August, before 2022 August. Then I will click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, you will get into the application for 2022 technology full-time analyst program. Here first personal details you have to fill. Here you have to select the title, that is Mr. After that your name will be reflected from that, whatever the legal first name means, whatever the name will be there in your Aadhaar card or SLC mass card, you give as it is. And middle name, if you have, you write middle name, and then last name, legal last name. This should be proper. Whatever the name will be available in your ID card, the same should be reflected here. After that, if you want to write any suffix, you can write. That is the second one. This is not a mandate fields. I will not fill those stuffs. Suffix, preferred first name, preferred last name, these all I am not filling, because only one name and that I updated with that. After that, email ID, that is reflected from your email ID. No need of secondary email ID. If you have any secondary email ID, you can update there. And country dial code, I will type India, +91 will come. I will select that country dial code. After that, mobile number, I will give mobile number. After that, country dial code and mobile number, any other number is there, you can give that. Then have you started college or university? You say yes. Then home and permanent address they are asking. Here you have to select country first, that is India. After that, you have to select your address, whatever the address is there. Then city, town, what is the city, town you are staying in, that you select. After that, here you have to select the state. After selecting the state, you have to type the pin code or zip code or postal code, whatever the code is there, that you have to update here. Is your current address differ from your home and permanent address? If it is differ, you say yes. If it is not, you say no. I will say no now. Both are same, I will say. Then I will click on save and continue. Once I click on save and continue, the first personal details are done. It will be in blue color because only mandate field I updated, and some of the field I am not updated, which are not mandate, I am not updated. Next, we are going with the additional information. In this additional information, they are asking about, have you previously been employed by Morgan Stanley? I say no. If you are an employee, you can say yes. Are you currently, or have you ever been a registered representative in the securities industry? I say no. Are you authorized to work for Morgan Stanley in the country in which the job location is located? You say yes. In India, you are authorized to work. Do you currently require Morgan Stanley to sponsor a work visa or behalf to commence employment? You say no. Will you in the future require sponsorship of employment visa status? Say no. Then government and regularity questionnaires, that is, are you currently or have you been in the past 3 years a government officer or employed by a financial regulations? No. If you are having yes, you can type it as yes. You can select as yes. In the capacity of the government official or employee of the financial regulator, have you had the ability to directly or indirectly influence the award of business to Morgan Stanley and exercise decision making authorities that impact Morgan Stanley? I say no. On the basis of employment as a government official or employee of the financial regulator, are you subjected to any post employed restriction, including but not limited to cooling off period, non disclosure of the confidential information, rescueless requirements, etc.? Okay, I will say no for this. And are you an immediate family member or closer associate of any government official who has the ability to directly or indirectly influence the award of business to Morgan Stanley and or exercise decision making authorities that impact Morgan Stanley? No. Were you referred or recommended for the position by a government official? No. All this you can type it as no. If anybody anything applicable to you, you type it as you selected as yes. Then I will click on save and continue button after filling the additional information. Next we are going with the pre-university education. Here I will select where you have done pre-university education. What pre-university education system do you follow? You say Indian. Please provide the details of the system you followed. That is, I can say it as percentage or grade, whatever you will follow for your marks that you update here. I will update as percentage. Then what grade you achieved? I will say how much grade I achieved means I will say that 60, 70%. Then I will click on save and continue. After clicking on save and continue, next it will be current and most recent university education it will ask. Here we have to select again country of study, that is India, then university name. If your university name is available in this, you can type that, or otherwise you type others. Other, after that, if your university or school is not listed, please select other and then notify us by contacting with this email ID. We have to notify. Then start date I will mention as June. Okay, June 2018 is the start date, and degree type is BE, and subject is computer science and IT, whatever your subject you select. Then degree title is not required, it is not a mandate field. Result scale you have to select. Here also it will be having a different scales are there, whichever the scale is suitable for you that you select. These are the different grading scales are there. I will select here percentage, and result I will type some percentage, that is 80, and degree expected or obtained it is asking. You select as expected, but you are not graduated now. And expected graduation date, when will be the expected graduation date? You select May 2022. After that, please select appropriate option under which your current degree result will falls on the scale of 100. Okay, here you select 80 to 100%. because I gave as 80% here. Here we have to select, if I am given 75%, then I have to select this one. Now I am selecting 80 to 100%. Do you have any previous university education? If you have, you say yes, or otherwise you say no. Then save and continue. After that, we are going with employment or internship experience. Here they are asking about, if you have previous employment or internship, please let us about them. Here maximum of 2. If you do not have any previous employment or internship, continue to the next page. Okay, if you have, you say yes. If you don't have, you say no. Do you have any employment or internship experience? I am saying no. If you have, you say yes and you give the details of those. Then after selecting no, I will go with the save and continue. Then they will ask for language. Please select the number of languages you speak. Here I will say 2, and I will select the language, that is English. And what is the intermediate, I will select. And one more language I will select, that is Indian Kannada, and I will say fluent. Then I will click on save and continue. After that, attach document. Here, please attach the required document. You will only be able to attach .doc, .docx or PDF file formats. Please limit the size of the each file to be less than 512 KB. When you have attached a file, you will be able to remove and attach another as many times as required before you submit your application. Okay, the file size they limited to 512 KB, and these .doc, .docx PDF format we can upload. And once you upload, you can change that uploaded file, you can remove, and we can upload one more file. But before submission we can do. Once you submitted, it is not possible to do. Okay, I'll select this and I'll select my file. After selecting file, I will click on save and continue. After attaching my resume, then the next, how do you hear about us? What promotion you to apply the Morgan Stanley? I will select the here campus event, job fair or career sites, and here secondary source I will say others. Please specify, means I will say that is from YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Then I will click on save and continue. After finishing that, we have to self-identify. For position located in Asian Pacific, Morgan Stanley invites you to provide the following information to assist it in checking the effectiveness of its requirement and equality and diversity policy. The provision of this information is voluntary and fails to provide it will be not subject you to any adverse treatment. Where provides the information will be kept confidential and will not be taken into account in the recruitment decisions. No information will be published or used in any way which allows any individual to be identified. Here they are asking for gender. We are saying male, and after that we are clicking on save and continue. You select your gender. Then declaration. You read this declaration stuff. After that, you write your full name here. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, now everything will be finished, application process will be finished. After, at the end, declaration, you sign for that declaration. These are the things you have to read carefully. After that, you write your name and click on submit. Then this window will come. Here it will show application of 2022 technology full-time analyst program, 2022 analyst full-time analyst program application update. Thank you for your interest in Morgan Stanley. We look forward to receive your application for the 2022 technology full-time analyst program, and we'll let you know in additional information is needed. Please check back regularly for status updates on your application. We have to check here for the status, what are the status will be there. And here I am withdrawing it because I'm not going to apply. It is only for your purpose. I am applied all this stuff. I will withdraw this now. Okay, for withdraw also it will ask, are you sure you want to withdraw? Please note that your application for the division will be withdrawn and you may not able to submit another application until the next recruitment year. See here, when you are withdrawing also, this year you are not able to apply once again. This is the last. If you withdraw, you are not allowed to submit once again. Okay. Yes, I confirm I wish to withdraw this application. I will click on that. And reason, what is the withdrawal reason? Okay, I will say personal reason. Note, if you are in this page is an error on changing your mind, click on the home link to cancel the withdraw. Okay, if you want to change your mind, you click on the home link to cancel this, but I am going to withdraw. I will click on submit. Once I click on submit, it will be saying thank you for letting us knowing for your decision to withdraw your application for the 2022 technology full-time analyst program. We appreciate your interest in Morgan Stanley and wish you a success for your future endeavors. That's it. This is the one of the easiest process we can apply and withdraw, but don't withdraw. Apply for this job. Try to get this job. This is one of the very good offer CTC will get. More than, I think, approximately 25 to 26 lakhs CTC will be there in this job. And if you like this video, please click on like and subscribe button. For more notification, click on bell icon. Thank you.